How to see your TikTok comment history. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can view comment history on TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, in order to see your comment history, tap on your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three-bar icon on your top page and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this page, under Content and Display, tap onto Activity Center. As it is so, you will see Comment History on the second option. Tap Open it. And just like so, if you have commented on any videos, it will be displayed at this page. All you have to do to view is tap onto it, and just like so, you will be able to see your comment, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.